today's video, I'm going to be doing the bowl of dares for slime. So how this challenge works, I've got a bowl and it's got ingredients for the slime, and whatever I pick out I'm going to be adding to make my slime. Okay, so here's my bowl of dares, so let's go on and start. Okay, so I'm going to pick out a dare for the slime first. Okay. Oh, silver glitter. So, good start, glitter. Don't know, but okay. Okay, so that's the silver glitter added into the bowl. I didn't put that much in just in case. So that's the first dare done. Let's try the next one. Blue, okay, so a fairly good one. I'm quite happy with that. So now it's just glue and glitter. So another dare done. Another dare done. Let's pick the next one. What's the thick one? Shampoo / shower gel. So I've got shower gel here. I was going to use shampoo, but I've just got shower gel instead. This shower gel is tiny. I could use the whole. Yeah. So now I've added the whole line of shampoo, another dare done. Okay, so let's pick another one. Corn flour. That is actually fairly good because I kind of needed corn flour, actually. Right, we've got to use a spoon for this. Got a fairly decent spoon. I don't know how much, I'm just going to wing it and go random. I think about 2 spoons or 2. Well, that wasn't even hot, so I'm just going to do a tiny bit more. Okay, I think that should be enough. So next, what have we got next? Green glitter. So we've had silver glitter and now we're having green. So that's green. And actually, when I get to the food colouring, the reason why I know this food colouring is because I've wrote some of these and I wrote down food colouring. This glitter actually does match the food colouring because it's green. And so it looks really weird at the minute. I'll give you a review once I've added the green glitter. Okay, that's quite a lot. So it's going to be very green and sparkly. So that's it so far. It looks very weird in the bowl. Don't know if it's going to be silver or green. So next one. I think this is the last one actually. Food colouring. So as I said, it's green. I've never used green food colouring before. But we're going to see how it goes. Okay, oh my god, I added quite a bit there. So it might be like a really dark green, might actually be the colour of the bottle. So, right, let's get a spoon to mix it. Okay, it's actually flowing quite quick. Oh my god. Looks like blended up peas, so that's it so far. I tried to make it was like yellow, literally it just failed. So this one is actually going better, and I have made some pink butter slime. So if you want me to do more of these challenges, comment down below. But you know, I want a good slime for this challenge, so I'm gonna add some more. smells really nice. It smells like dough. It does smell fairly good. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit more just so that it properly forms. So as you can see, now that I've added it, it's forming into a dough, but it's kind of getting more slimy and tougher to work with. So, oh yeah, we're nearly there now. So you keep mixing so that it's not that sticky, but we have got some sort of slime here. So look, it's turning into it at the bottom. Gosh, it's getting... Let's just get this out the bowl. Slime earlier on, a few days ago, and it actually turned out really well.
What happens next?
This one, I must say, I've never had green slime before, so it's a nice change. So yeah, it's turned out actually really nice, and the dough, the form is quite good actually. So this is the finished result. So it's nice to play with. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.
Should be